Kamal Hassan sir, just a request on your parliament debut.
Sorry.
We have grown up. But sometimes the parents say you haven't grown up at all.
Has been Chief Minister in Chennai, which came from
ಸರ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ನಾನು ಮಾತೊಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ ಮಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಭಾವಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾತಿನಿಧ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಬನ್ನಿ.
has been Chief Minister.
ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸಂಘಟನೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಭೀಮಸೇನ ಸಂಘಟನೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮುದಾಯದ ಪರವಾಗಿ
In Chennai, which came from
Kamal Hassan sir, just a request on your parliament debut.
Sorry.
We have grown up. But sometimes the parents say you haven't grown up at all.
ಸರ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ನಾನು ಮಾತೊಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ ಮಾತಲ್ಲಿ
in Chennai, which came from what I said was said out of love and with a lot of historians who taught me language history, and that I didn't mean anything. And let me tell you, Tamil Nadu is a place which has been open. I don't say that there's no other state like that, but very rare state where a Menon has been our Chief Minister. A Reddy has been our Chief Minister. Tamilan has been Chief Minister. Then a Kannadiga Iyengar has been our Chief Minister from Mandya. When there was a problem in Chennai, which came from that Chief Minister who hailed from Karnataka, it was Karnataka who gave me support. The Kannadiga said, come here, we'll give you a house. Don't go anywhere. So the people will take care of Thug Life, Kamal Hassan, and all these controversies. Politicians are not qualified to talk about language. They don't have the education enough to talk about it. That includes me. So let's leave all these very in-depth discussions to historians, archaeologists, and language experts.
See, whatever before you speak something about this state issue, he has to thought, because he is one of the senior most actor in our Indian film industry. In international level, he has already been recognized. Whatever he has spoke is wrong. Let him apply. It's not a big issue, because see, all Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, other language industry in Karnataka, they are doing excellent business, better than local language.
Kamal Hassan sir, just a request on your parliament debut.
Sorry.
We have grown up. But sometimes the parents say you haven't grown up at all.